This is the UVA Law Library Powtoon video on how to use the American Law Reports books in the library to help you find cases on a legal topic that you're researching. Your job as an attorney is to find, understand, and apply primary law to your client's situation. Under the umbrella of primary law are things like cases decided by courts, statutes made by legislatures, and regulations made by agencies. To help you find and understand that primary law, legal practitioners and scholars have compiled secondary sources. Under this umbrella are things like treatises, hornbooks, legal encyclopedias, law review articles, and American Law Reports, abbreviated ALR. ALR is made up of articles written by legal professionals. These are called annotations. Each annotation takes a specific legal topic. It's usually one where courts in different states or different federal jurisdictions have disagreed, and it describes cases that have been decided about that topic across jurisdictions. There's an ALR series that covers state common law issues, and there's an ALR series that covers issues decided in federal courts. Note that ALR annotations are going to refer you to cases decided in courts, but they don't usually cover statutes and regulations, so you'll want to research those separately. Let's say that you're representing a client who's thinking about suing her chiropractor for injuries suffered during a treatment. Start in the ALR Index. There's a full index that covers the entire series of ALRs, and there's a quick index. Note that the ALR Federal series also has a one-volume quick index. I start with the keyword term medical malpractice. Under medical malpractice, I get cross-reference to another keyword term, chiropractors. I look that up in the index, and I see a citation to an ALR article that sounds directly on point, liability of chiropractors and other drugless practitioners for medical malpractice. Remember that when you're using any hardbound volumes in the library, you want to check the pocket parts for any up-to-date information. In ALR, you check the pocket parts both for listings of more recent relevant annotations, and you also check what's called the annotation history table for notification that a particular annotation has been superseded, which means it's been rewritten to reflect more recent changes in that area of the law. I pull volume 77 of the ALR 4th series and flip to page 273. Take some time to check out the information here at the start of the annotation. I get research references to things like legal encyclopedia entries on my topic and other keywords that I may want to check out in the ALR index. I also browse the table of contents and index so I can focus in on parts of the article that are most about the topic that I'm researching. I get a snapshot here too of the different states' court cases that are cited in the article. What am I getting here in the article itself? I'm getting narrative summaries of the different state court cases about this particular topic, and I'm getting cites to those cases so I can go and read the full text for myself. Remember that you want to check pocket parts to get citations to the most recent cases. Also, if you are in real-world practice, you take any citations to cases you find here and key cite or shepherdize them to see how subsequent courts have treated these particular case decisions.